In today's video, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing and comparing two of the biggest platforms out there, AliExpress and Amazon. If you're wondering which platform is better for affiliates, whether you're a blogger, YouTuber, or social media creator, this video will give you the full breakdown. This isn't one of those quick videos that throw big numbers around without giving context. If that's what you're looking for, feel free to skip. Otherwise, let's get into the real details that matter. AliExpress is a global marketplace owned by Alibaba Group, mostly connecting Chinese manufacturers and sellers with international buyers. Known for its low prices, it offers everything from electronics and fashion to home goods, and yes, it also has an affiliate program. Amazon, on the other hand, needs no introduction. It's the world's largest online retailer, offering millions of products and a well-established affiliate program, known as Amazon Associates, used by thousands of content creators around the world. Both offer affiliate programs, but they work very differently, so let's break them down. AliExpress's affiliate program is managed through AliExpress portals and third-party networks. It offers up to 50% commission on select items, though most commonly the rate falls between 3% to 10% depending on the category. One key benefit is that you can promote globally and target price-sensitive audiences who are looking for deals. However, the dashboard is a bit technical, payments may take longer, and tracking can sometimes feel less intuitive, especially for beginners. It's better suited for international affiliates, especially in regions where Amazon doesn't dominate. Amazon's affiliate program is extremely easy to use and well integrated. You can generate affiliate links in one click using SiteStripe and promote almost any product on the Amazon platform. Commission rates range from 1% to 10%, depending on the category. For example, electronics are on the lower end, while fashion or home decor can be higher. The trust factor is huge too. Most people already shop on Amazon, making conversions much easier. Downsides? The cookie lasts just 24 hours, and the payout system is region-specific. Still, it's widely regarded as one of the most beginner-friendly programs out there. Let's compare both platforms side by side and rate each category from good to excellent. Performance, conversion, and speed. AliExpress has lower trust in some regions and slower shipping times. Rating, good. Amazon has high trust, fast checkout, and delivery. Rating, excellent. Commission rates. AliExpress has potentially higher rates on some items, up to 50%. Rating, very good. Amazon offers consistent but lower rates overall. Rating, good. Ease of use. AliExpress requires more setup and uses third-party tracking systems. Rating, good. Amazon has a clean, user-friendly dashboard and tools. Rating, excellent. Price and value for the audience. AliExpress offers low-cost items that make upselling easier. Rating, very good. Amazon offers trusted brands with higher trust and higher average order value. Rating, very good. Flexibility and compatibility. AliExpress allows global traffic and covers multiple regions. Rating, excellent. Amazon is region-specific and harder to monetize global traffic. Rating, good. Here's the bottom line. If your audience is global and price-sensitive, and you don't mind a slightly complex setup, AliExpress offers higher commissions and broad flexibility. If you want a trusted, easy-to-use platform that converts well with US and EU traffic, Amazon Associates is the safer and more reliable choice, especially for beginners. So which affiliate program fits your strategy, AliExpress or Amazon? Let us know your experience in the comments. And if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and check the description for affiliate tools, promo links, and more guides. Thanks for watching. This is ProGuide.